Here we are at the Old MacDonalds Farm. We're gonna go check it out to see what kind of animals they have. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is my first time here. They've already been here already once. Oh, look at that. Look at the ducks. Oh, look at their little pool. They have a pool too. That's nice. They're sleeping right now.
There's a tricycle.
Oh, there's a tricycle?
Yeah.
Let's go check it out. What's...
I'm not being good.
Where's the tricycle? Oh, Rhoda, Ingrid, go in there. Who's gonna be the goat? Go, Roddy. Roddy, go. Oh, we have a crying baby already. Hold up. Rhoda, you wanna... Ingrid, háblame. Oh no, we have a crying baby, you guys. Oh, it's okay. He's probably too hot. Yeah. You guys want to go try out the red tricycles? Look at these. These are so cute. Wow, I love that. Paddle it, Roddy. You gotta paddle it like a bike. Like, oh, it doesn't have it. So does that mean I have to push him?
They did have pedals.
Oh, well, oh, that one. That one does. Go on, Dariana.
I don't think I'm
Go. Is it hard to paddle?
No.
Go, Rhoda. Catch Ingrid. Go fast. Get her. Crash her, Rhoda. Crash her. This is your chance. I'm just kidding. What's in there? Oh, the ducks. ¿A dónde? Yeah, let's just... We're gonna hang up in here a little. They like it.
Folks over here.
Oh, just... Oh, it's like a... Hey, Rhoda. Oh, where are those? They're so cute. Oh, the papas. What is that?
Like they're fighting.
They're fighting?
We can go inside.
You can?
Yeah.
How can you? Oh, you guys want to come inside? Why? Don't let them out, okay? Because then we're gonna have to go catch them. And I do not want to do that. Oh my God! Hold on, Roddy. There. Oh, what is he doing up there? He's just relaxing. He's like, yeah.
He's sleeping.
He's like, I think this is a baby one.
Aww.
Ay, look at them.
Why you guys?
Hey, what is that, Bubba? Ay.
I'm the referee.
Alright, let's go see the animals.
Oh no, now you're trying to...
Uh-oh. No. Oh, they're gonna get you, Ulises. Yeah, get him.
That's a safe place.
Métele un putazo for me. Watch, a mí me va a dar uno. Look at the toro, you guys. Wait, are you guys gonna go in there?
Yeah.
Hey. He's eating right now, and the other one is trying to escape. Buenísimo. Look at that, Papa. Where we at? ¿Dónde andamos, Conesimo? ¿Dónde? Bonnie.
The cows will come over here so they can battle.
You guys want to go touch the cow? Yeah, touch her.
Look at that poo-poo.
Oh, there is. It's okay. Oh, it's okay. Just pet him. You don't want to pet him?
Oh no.
Oh. I wonder what's Ernie? No, I think. Oh. What is that doing? Careful, he's gonna try to eat you. Oh, he's coming towards me. Oh. It's okay. Oh, it's very soft. Let's go to the other side. What's in there? Sheeps? Daphne Belma. From the Scooby-Doo. Daphne Belma. I wonder who's Daphne and Belma.
Daphne. They have to shave them just to know.
Daphne and Belma. Oh, Daphne has a little dark face. Yep. Yeah, está ahí. Oh, they're probably too hot right now because they have their wool on. Oh, the chicken. Rodo, te van a cotorrear a ti, papá.
Go with your herd. Go with your herd. Since they call you chicken.
She's hurt. Chicken papa.
You know what big rams do? They're like...
So find the chivito.
Dariana, I think you're a chivo. I think we have a chivo in the family, guys. You see?
They're taking a picture in the butt.
What's it like having toddlers? Wanna go pet the bunny, Rodo? Ingrid? Oh, don't be afraid. It's okay. If you don't want to, that's fine too. What's his name? It's Benny. Benny. Would you want to go inside? That'd be nice. Open it up. Okay, go, Rodo. Would you like to go in? Yeah? Okay, go in. Oh, there he is. Just take it easy, okay? Oh, he likes it, guys. Look. You see, he likes his massage.
See if he
Where's Papa? Oh, he's with his
He's with his herd, finally! We finally met your kind, Papa.
their water. Oh, look at them. Look so cute.
Do they have eggs? Any eggs?
Oh, yeah, good question. I don't know. They might have eggs inside their little... You want to go with the piggies, Rodo?
Maybe. They make such a loud noise.
Let's go in there and check them out. We never get to see them up close.
Pig.
Oh, yeah. You want to take a shower in there?
I will take a shower. Yeah, that one is squeaky. That's really fun.
Oh, it's their playground where they play. Oh, look at them. They're sleeping. Rodo's thinking about to go get in the pool. You see, he was thinking about to jump in there.
Oh, they're little water.
Yeah, they're water.
To make a water mud. Ooh, swimming pool.
A swimming pool. Wow.
They have a water stuff.
They do have a lot. They have a playground, a pool, a mud pool, and the little house in there. Look at their house. The hot tub. Where? Look.
That's the feeding pen. That's a feeding pen.
No, I think their feeding pen is right here.
There's
Oh, and they have a fan too. Wow.
chicken
Behind
papa.
the house.
Chicken
Oh.
papa.
Go play with the old equipment.
Oh, look at the little bench to sit down and have a meeting.
Yeah, they have a meeting right here. They sit down. Well, what's our plan for today? Look, guys, there's a squirrel. No, don't attack him.
Yeah, nuts.
That's an walnut. Wait, those are the nuts that we have.
We're gonna go down there a little bit.
You guys want to play in the little...
Sit on it and figure it out.
Now we're going on a trail walk.
And that's a snipe.
This is called Snipe Trail.
Snipe trail. Rolo, it's a snipe trail.
Can we go up there?
It looks a little... Oh, you heard that?
I'll go up there.
Go check it out then. Go.
You want me to lay milk?
Well, go check it out. What is it? There's mosquitoes. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of mosquitoes up here. We're out in the nature. What did you see? Snakes? I do believe... What was that? What is it?
I see it.
Let's show. What is? Really, guys? Guys, a snake?
So it's going right here and right there.
Oh, the snake trail.
Look,
That's what he thinks.
the snake going there.
Yeah, he probably went in there hiding away from you. He's like, whoa, here comes Rodo. I'm going to hide. Oh, this trail mark. Whew. I don't want to go see him. I'm afraid of snakes. I don't like snakes. Where are we going, guys? We're going to get lost in the woods. Guys, how are we gonna get out of here, papas?
I think where we came from was where an arch was coming from. The arch.
Do you guys remember?
And I think it was over
Did we leave any marks so we can trace our
Yeah, we did. That was that footprint I made.
babies? Getting scared, you guys. No, what's in there? It keeps going.
We may have a squash.
A Sasquatch? You saw one?
The Kiki Waka, look.
The Kiki Waka.
Oh,
What in the world?
A Kiki
Oh.
Waka is a squash, right?
What is a Kiki Waka, Dariana?
A Kiki Waka. It's like Bigfoot, but it's all covered in grass and something. So it's like
Okay, you guys are making me scared. I say we go back, guys. I think I hear Sasquatch. Run! Guys, I'm being left behind. I have the baby. Go, guys, go. Finally made out of the forest.
Salieron dos venados.
¿A dónde?
Ahí cuando subieron para
Okay. Why are you squishing the bugs?
yeah, there's a Sasquatch in the side. Yeah.
Oh, there's a waterfall. Hey, babe. Ayúdame. Wow, look at that.
Those are real ducks.
Are they real ducks or they're fake? Oh, they are real. Oh, there's a white one. This is nice. Look at their pool. They're enjoying. I wish I could be in there
Look at him.
with how hot it is right now.
Look at him.
I wonder if there's turtles, guys.
And snakes. It's so clear.
Why are you so obsessed with
Look
snakes?
how clear the water is.
If you keep saying snakes, I think we're gonna find one.
And a shark.
And a shark. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna find sharks here in Iowa.
Okay, shark. My favorite toy is shark.
Your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is shark. And my favorite toy is shark. Everything.
Oni's thinking about jumping in there. You wanna jump in there, Papa? What was that?
That was low.
Oh. He's like, that looks awesome. Oh, is it a water fountain? That's nice.
No,
Yeah, we don't climb the thing. Nope. If you get,
Go in for a little bit, then they swim back to shore.
yeah, look at them. There's a lot of ducks.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.